taking. I can't get enough of this old world. Another auctioneer, a fist inside of his mouth, watching it happen. Tide rolled in and it washed us out. What was enough back then is more than enough right now. How we missing every train